you will never have to chase true friends and true love, so don't miss that. No priority to working class for COVID-19 vaccine. Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan on Sunday denied rumors about government prioritizing young and working class for COVID-19 vaccine for economic reasons. He said prioritization of groups of vaccine will be based on two key considerations. First is occupational hazard and risk of exposure to infection, and second is risk of developing severe diseases and increasing mortality, Vardhan said. COVID-19 cases in India cross 70 lakh. Recoveries exceed 60 lakh. The number of COVID-19 cases in India has reached 70 lakhs 53,806 as 74,383 people tested positive in the last 24 hours. According to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the coronavirus death toll in the country has risen to 1,08,334, while 60 lakhs 77,976 COVID-19 patients have been discharged. Out of the total cases, 8,67,496 are active. Soldiers in Leh teach little boy saluting them the correct way to do it. A video has gone viral showing soldiers teaching a little boy in Leh the correct way to salute them as he stands on the roadside to salute them as they pass. IFS officer Sudha Raman shared the video on Twitter and wrote, "A budding soldier of future India from a village in Leh. He made my day. Jai Hind." Engineering students, PhD scholars apply for job requiring Class 8 pass in West Bengal. Several PhD scholars, postgraduates and engineering students in West Bengal have applied to the post of Bana Shayashaks or forest assistants, the qualification required for which is Class 8 pass, a senior official said. Many highly educated applicants told us they don't have any hang-ups. Range officer of Malda Forest Division said the state is hiring 2,000 people on contractual basis. All 8 beaches recommended by India get International Blue Flag certification. 8 Indian beaches that were recommended by the government have all been awarded the International Blue Flag certification. India is the first nation to have been awarded the Eco label for 8 beaches in the single attempt, Environmental Minister Prakash said. Besides India, Japan, South Korea and UAE have been conferred with a couple of Blue Flag beaches in Asia. Shoaib Malik becomes first ever Asian cricketer to score 10,000 T20 runs. Pakistan's 38-year-old all-rounder Shoaib Malik has become the first ever cricketer from Asia to score 10,000 runs in T20 cricket. Malik achieved the feat during the 44-ball 74-run knock by Khyber against Balochistan on Saturday. Malik dedicated the record to his parents, tweeting, "I would like to dedicate this milestone to my parents. They have always prayed for me." Rare day flying moth sighted in Uttarakhand after over 125 years. Achallura bifasciata, a rare day flying moth, was spotted recently in Uttarakhand's Garhwal. Sanjay Sondhi, a trustee of Nature Conservation Organization Titlis Trust, said there are old records of the insects to have been spotted in Nainital by G.F. Hampson, a Britisher who had compiled a book on moths in 1893. The moths were spotted in large numbers. Not a single North Korean tested positive for COVID-19 during a military parade which was held to mark 75th anniversary of the founding of its ruling Workers' Party. North Korean leader Kim Jong said that not a single citizen had tested positive for coronavirus. Kim thanked troops for their sacrifice in preventing the coronavirus outbreak. He also said that the country will continue to build its national defense power. US President Donald Trump removed his mask as he addressed supporters at the White House after being treated for COVID-19. "First of all, I'm feeling great. I don't know about you," Trump told his supporters. Trump took a test on Saturday which showed he was no longer a transmission risk to others, his physician Sean Conley said. Railways plan to upgrade high-speed trains with special AC coaches. The Railway Ministry said that it's working on a plan to upgrade all high-speed trains running at a maximum speed of 130 km per hour and more with the special AC coaches. It added that there will be no sleeper coaches in these trains. Wind and weather factors demand that only certain type of coaches run on higher speed, a spokesperson said. The woman who survived the atomic bombing of Nagasaki. This is a barley fish and it is the first fish to have transparent head. This city in Malaysia called Genting Highland looks like a city above the sky from distance. When offered a new pen to write with, 97% of all people will write their own name. Swiggy co-founder Sri Harsha did approximately 200 deliveries himself in the first 6 months of Swiggy's launch.